Meal planning and prepping. Being a student can be challenging. You're consistently managing your lectures, assignments, papers, and exams. It can be difficult to prioritize other aspects of your life when you're focused on performing well. Living a balanced life is an essential part of well-being. It can enhance your quality of life and university experience. When you have a busy schedule, one area to focus on is meal planning. Meal planning can be helpful to keep you on track, so you don't have to worry about not having enough time to make your next well-balanced meal. Select nutritious recipes that are easy to make, create several servings, and are great to put in the fridge or freezer. Visit Canada's Food Guide to learn how to choose a variety of healthy foods each day, develop healthy eating habits, explore new recipes, and discover healthy eating tips. Make a list of the different types of meals you enjoy. Plan a few days in advance until you feel comfortable planning for 1 week. Create a grocery list of all the ingredients you will need, and then schedule time to cook. Cook all the food you plan for the next number of days. Put each meal into a container and store them in the fridge. For extra servings, put them in the freezer for a later date. The next day, your meals are ready when you are. For the meals you stored in the freezer, take the portions out the night before. This allows them to thaw overnight in the fridge, so you can easily reheat your meal the following day. Here is a healthy pasta sauce recipe you might like to try. The pasta sauce ingredients include 2 pounds of lean ground beef. You can adjust the protein type to your liking. 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. 1 tablespoon of oregano. 1 tablespoon of basil. 1 bay leaf. 2 cups of diced onion. 4 cups of chopped bell peppers. 1 cup of sliced fresh mushrooms. 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. 1 5-ounce can of tomato paste. And 2 680 milliliter can of tomato sauce. Cook ground beef and drain off any excess fat. Chop your peppers and onions while the ground beef is cooking. Add onions and peppers to the ground beef. Stir ingredients together and cook well. Put garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, and basil into a bowl and then add it to the pot. Once everything is mixed in, add drained diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, tomato paste, and the bay leaf. Stir all ingredients together and simmer on low heat for 30 minutes. Measure out 1 cup of sauce for each serving and store in a container. This recipe makes 12 servings and is great for storing in the freezer for a later date. Cook the pasta when you are ready. Pasta sauce tips. The longer the sauce simmers, the more flavorful the spices will be. You can store cooked pasta with the sauce in the fridge and reheat it in the microwave to save time. And you can freeze any remaining servings for a later date. Happy meal planning and prepping!